Now we come to the function of home subscriber server or HSS in the 4G network. HSS is a central database for all the users or all the subscribers that are there in a 4G network. So that means that the proper working of HSS is very important for the proper working of the 4G network. Now, for example, this user equipment wants to register itself with this MME in order to use the services of the 4G network. So as a part of this registration, this user equipment needs to be authenticated, whether it is a genuine user equipment or not. And this authentication procedure is run by the MME. So, and for this authentication procedure, MME needs the security keys that it gets from the HSS. And once the authentication is complete and the user equipment registers itself with the MME, a part of the data related to this user is downloaded from the HSS into the MME. And what is the information related to a user that is stored in the HSS? It is the information about the identification of a user, its number, what are the services that this user can use and with what quality of service, and if there are any roaming restrictions on this user. For example, this user may not be allowed to roam in certain tracking areas. And also the HSS needs to keep track of the MME with which the user equipment is registered, because if the user equipment is roaming, it may roam into the coverage area of an eNode B that is connected to a different MME. So the HSS needs to keep track of the current MME of the user equipment, so that if there is an incoming call for this user equipment, the HSS can direct that call to the corresponding MME.